Mastering adjective placement. Let's get descriptive. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a vital part of English grammar, the placement of adjectives in sentences. Adjectives are descriptive words that modify or describe nouns, and knowing where to put them is key to sounding natural in English. So, let's get started. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence, "The happy dog wagged its tail." Happy is an adjective because it describes the dog. Usually, in English, adjectives come before the noun they describe. However, there are exceptions, and we'll be exploring these as we go along. When we use more than one adjective before a noun, we often follow a specific order. The general order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. For example, in the phrase, "I love that beautiful big old round red Italian leather racing car," the adjectives are arranged in this specific order. But don't worry, it's rare that you'll use so many adjectives at once. There are instances where adjectives follow the noun they describe, particularly after linking verbs. Linking verbs include be, seem, look, feel, sound, taste, and smell. For example, in the sentence, "The cake smells delicious," the adjective delicious comes after the linking verb smells and describes the cake. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. We'll have a series of sentences and your job is to place the adjectives in the correct spot. 1. The woman is beautiful. 2. The happy child laughed. 3. She has a red, big balloon. 4. The soup tastes hot, delicious. 5. I have a wooden, old table. You can pause the video here, attempt the exercise, and then check your answers in the next section. Let's check your answers. 1. The beautiful woman is. 2. The happy child laughed. 3. She has a big red balloon. 4. The soup tastes deliciously hot. 5. I have an old wooden table. If you missed any, that's okay. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Adjective placement might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, most of the time, adjectives go before the noun, but after linking verbs, they go after the noun. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!